Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best range hoods that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Broan NuTone 413001, the budget champion of our list. This ductless range hood is designed for simplicity and functionality, making it perfect for users who need basic ventilation without breaking the bank. It features a non-ducted filtration system that effectively removes smoke and odors, along with replaceable charcoal filters for easy maintenance. The rocker switches control a 2-speed fan and lighting, offering straightforward operation. However, keep in mind that the lighting is limited to incandescent bulbs unless you purchase additional LED-compatible components. In terms of design, the Broan NuTone is compact and lightweight, measuring 30 inches wide and weighing just 10 pounds. The white alloy steel finish is clean and durable, but it may lack the modern aesthetic some users prefer. Performance-wise, the airflow capacity is modest at 1 CFM, which is sufficient for light cooking but may struggle with heavier grease or smoke. Noise levels are reasonable at 55 decibels, making it a good choice for small kitchens or apartments. The Broan NuTone excels in affordability and ease of use, making it ideal for budget-conscious buyers or renters who need a no-frills solution. However, its limited airflow and dated design are drawbacks for more demanding users. Pros: affordable, lightweight, easy to install. Cons: low airflow capacity, outdated design, limited lighting options. Coming in at rank number 4 is the AMZ Chef Under Cabinet Range Hood. This model offers a sleek stainless steel design with a powerful 750 CFM airflow, making it a solid mid-range option for buyers who want performance and convenience. It includes modern features like touch and remote controls, as well as gesture control for hands-free operation. The 3-speed fan adjusts easily to different cooking needs, while the LED lights provide bright illumination for your stovetop. The AMZ Chef stands out for its build quality, featuring durable 430 stainless steel that's resistant to deformation, grease, and rust. It includes 2 dishwasher-safe baffle filters for easy cleaning, which is a big plus for busy households. While the airflow capacity is strong, it doesn't quite match the higher-end models in raw suction power, but it's more than adequate for most kitchens. Noise levels are moderate, with a quiet operation on low settings and a tolerable level at high speeds. The AMZ Chef is a great choice for families or users looking for a balance of modern features and solid performance without hitting premium price points. Pros: sleek design, touch, remote gesture controls, effective filtration. Cons: airflow slightly lower than premium models, heavier build at 33.3 pounds. At rank number 3 is the IKTCH 30-inch built-in insert range hood. This model combines robust 900 CFM airflow with a sleek stainless steel design, making it a strong contender for users who want a combination of power and aesthetics. Its standout feature is the innovative gesture sensing control, allowing you to adjust fan speeds and lighting with just a wave of your hand. It also offers touch controls and a remote for added convenience, along with 4 adjustable fan speeds to handle everything from simmering to frying. The build quality is impressive, with stainless steel construction that's both durable and easy to clean. It includes 2 dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters for effective grease trapping, minimizing maintenance. The LED lights are adjustable, providing excellent visibility during cooking, while also being energy efficient. Noise levels range from 40 dB on low settings to 65 dB at maximum speed, which is relatively quiet for its performance level. The IKTCH IKB0130 is ideal for users who need high suction power for heavy-duty cooking, but also appreciate modern design and ease of use. Pros: powerful airflow, gesture sensing, durable build. Cons: slightly pricier than mid-range models, heavier at 26.9 pounds. At rank number 2, we have the Vicchio Home Range Hood 30-inch under cabinet. This model brings dual motor power to the table, providing 900 CFM airflow for rapid smoke and odor removal. The dual centrifugal motors boost suction efficiency by 15%, making it a great option for larger kitchens or heavy cooking use. It's equipped with 3 dishwasher-safe aluminum mesh filters that efficiently trap grease and particles, making cleanup a breeze. Design-wise, the Vicchio Home offers a solid stainless steel build with noise reduction technology that keeps operation quiet, with levels as low as 35 decibels on low and up to 65 decibels on high speed. The gesture sensing control is highly responsive, achieving a 97% accuracy rate, which makes adjusting fan speeds simple and user-friendly. The LED lights provide ample illumination for cooking, while the included installation kit ensures a straightforward setup. The Vicchio Home is perfect for users who need high performance and reliability for frequent cooking. Pros: dual motor suction power, quiet operation, easy to clean filters. Cons: slightly bulkier design, higher price point. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the IKTCH 30-inch wall mount range hood. This premium model offers the perfect combination of power, modern features, and sleek design. With a massive 900 CFM airflow, it efficiently removes smoke and cooking odors, making it suitable for even the busiest kitchens. Its standout feature is the gesture sensing control, which allows for hands-free operation. It also includes touch control and remote functionality, providing ultimate convenience. The stainless steel construction is top-notch, offering durability and elegance. 2 dishwasher-safe baffle filters make maintenance hassle-free, and the adjustable LED lights ensure bright, energy-efficient illumination. Noise levels are impressively low at 40 dB on the lowest setting and only 65 dB at maximum speed, so you get high performance without the noise. Additional features like a timer and auto fan shutoff enhance usability. The IKTCH IKP0230 is the ultimate choice for users seeking premium performance and cutting-edge design. Pros: powerful airflow, gesture sensing, ultra-quiet operation. Cons: premium price, larger footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.